In a world of boundless wonders, there is a realm that remains unseen, waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Drone Journal, where we embark on extraordinary aerial adventures and bring you captivating stories from the sky. From towering mountains to hidden valleys, from bustling cityscapes to serene coastal shores, we uncover the world's most incredible landscapes through the lens of a drone. Join us as we soar above the clouds, capturing breathtaking moments that reveal the true beauty of our planet. Our channel is not just about the visuals, it's about the stories we tell. We delve into the heart of each location, unearthing its hidden tales and sharing them with you.